Good morning, students. Today we let's start our second lesson, that is planet Earth. So, planet Earth. Once the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Earth are a very serious discussion started. Among them, who is the greatest of all 8 planets? Jupiter said, I am the largest planet, so of course I am the greatest. Saturn said for that, I have a rings, so I am looking bright and glorious, so I am greatest. Then the Uranus said, no one has more fun than me. I move sideways. Try doing it. So I am greatest. The next Earth said, I don't say I am greatest, but I can support life. Thousands of thousands, animals, plants live on me. So, who is the greatest? So, see here students, you can got here. Earth is the only one planet that has lives. So, Earth is a unique planet. Yes, my dear students, Earth is a unique planet. So, let's study more about Earth. In this chapter, we study Earth is a unique planet as it has life on it. One thing. And second point is Earth is shaped like an orange. The third point is has continents and oceans. Earth has continents and oceans. So, in that, the Earth is a unique planet. So, it has a landforms, glaciers, mountains, hill, peak, plateau, island, valleys, plain, and deserts. In the Earth has a continents and oceans. The continents and the oceans can be studied through globes and maps. Okay students, in this chapter we are learning these many things. Okay, let's we start the Earth, a unique planet. How is our Earth is unique planet? I said already the Earth is a only planet in the solar system that has life on it. Why the Earth supports life what it has? So Earth is supporting for the lives. So what it has to support the life? Okay, let's first point is it has a water for us, animals, plants to survive. Yes, my dear students, the 75% of the water is on our earth. So only the 1% is land. If we divide our earth 4 parts, the one part is 25% of the land, and other 25 water, other 25 water, and other 25 is also water. It means the 75% is water. So it supports our life. Is it? So for plants, animals, and to survive us also it supports. And it has a air. See here, it has air for us, animals and plants to breathe. So we want to breathe, we want air also. The planet Earth supports for that also. And it has a right amount of sunlight and heat. We need to grow So we need right amount of light and heat also. For not only for us, for animals, for plants, for and animals. So these things we needed. And next, this is the Earth is unique planet. What are it has? It has, one more time I will repeat, it has a water, it has air, and it has a right amount of heat and light. This is the 3 points we the living things are live here. Okay. The next we go for the shape of the earth. See here students, this is the shape of the earth, but it looks like a orange, not color, not in color. The shape of the earth is same like a orange. How it means? Little flattened at the top and little flattened at the bottom, with the shape that curves outwards on the surface in the middle. So we divide our planet the two parts. The middle line is equator and the upper part is North Pole, South Pole. See here, we can divide into two parts. See? So first part is, this is the middle part. What we divides, this is the equator. The upper part is northern hemisphere and the down part is southern hemisphere. We call it North Pole and South Pole. What the upper point and lower point. Okay. Our earth is covered with about 3 parts of water. I already said about you. One more time I will repeat you. The 3 part of water and 1 part only the land where we all are living. So 1 part is covered by land. The large areas of land on earth are called the continents, and large areas of water on the earth are called the oceans. We can see it in the globe, very small areas. That is the reason we can go for the map. See, in the map we can clearly see, we can mention that 7 continents and the 5 oceans. The large area of land is called we divided into 7 parts, that is 7 continents. And the ocean we have covered in the world, they are 5 oceans. Once again I will repeat this. The large areas of land on earth are called the continents, and the large areas of water on the earth are called the oceans. Please students, what I am mentioning here, you note down the points. Okay. The next, what are continents? Let's we see the continents. Continents, the entire land area of the earth has been divided into continents. What is that? The entire land area of the earth has been divided into continents. There are 7 continents in the world. Write down students, what are those? Write down. The first one, Asia. The yellow part is there, na? That is Asia. In this picture you can see the yellow part, that is Asia. Asia is the big continent in the world. And next, Africa. The red part. The red part is, you can see in this picture, that is Africa continent. And next one is North America. The light green. The light green you can see in the picture, that is North America. The North America and the South America. Orange color is South America. And the next thing is Antarctica. the down of the world map, small you can see the sky blue, that is Antarctica. Okay, next Europe, the blue color is the Europe, and the green color is Australia. What is that? Australia. So 7 continents you can see here. The first one is yellow color Asia, red color is Africa, and the light green color is North America, and the orange color is South America, and the sky blue is Antarctica, and blue color is Europe, and green color is Australia. These are 7 continents. Asia is the biggest or largest continent in the world. Okay students, next we go for the 75% of the water is there. We divided into 5 oceans. Okay, 5 oceans. There are Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. One more time I will repeat. There are 5 oceans. First one is Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. So these 5 can divided. One more, Pacific Ocean. Okay. Next, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Although 75% of the water in our planet Earth is there, but this 75% of water we can't drink because it's too salty. The ocean water we can't drink because it's too salty. Is it, students? So lesson I taught you up to the oceans. So let's see the activity. This is the activity, students, I have given you, that is continents and oceans. 7 continents and 7 oceans are given in this puzzle, word puzzle. What you have to do? Take the one by one name and point out here, mark here the 7 continents and 5 oceans in this word puzzle. And one more activity I will give you, that is, which planet is your favorite and why? So 8 planets we have. In that, which planet you likes? So why you likes that? The answer may be Earth, the answer may be Jupiter, the answer may be Saturn or Uranus. It may be anything in the 8 planets. Write down here your answer and send me the photo. And one more homework I am giving you. Write down, that is, write the names of 7 continents and 5 oceans in your notebook and send me photos of your homeworks. Okay students, 3 activities I have given you. The one is word puzzle of 7 continents names and 5 oceans names. And second one is which planet is your favorite and why. And the third homework is write 7 continents name and write oceans name in your notebook with the date. Whatever the homeworks we are giving you, write down the first date and day. And next you write down the homework. Okay students, bye, take care.